Hey guys, Oli here from Oli's Wood Shop, coming at you with another home edition project. And I love this one. It has a drawer. This is the floating entry table. It's so sleek. I know I posted some photos on Instagram and somebody was asking me if the front panel is super thin. No, it's just an illusion. It's 45 and it looks so good. We've been on a white oak spree. Not even joking, you guys, but I want to show you. And at first I was like, I don't know if it's gonna match the floors, like the white oak, because we used white oak boards for the closet, even though we have concrete floors in there. But with this one, I don't think it's clashy at all. I mean, I don't know, I guess to each their own opinion, but I think it came out good. We're gonna switch it up with the stuff on here. I just threw it together because I was like, I wanna see what it looks like with everything on it. I don't know if we're gonna do maybe a bowl or a plant. I'm not sure yet. I haven't thought about it. We literally just hung it, so yeah, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed the finished product of the floating entry table, because I love it. I'm looking at it right now and I just think it came out so good. So as you know, I am pregnant and I am not building at the shop currently. And Art's super swamped with work. So we had one of the carpenters at the shop build it, and Art designed it, and he's been really into this floating furniture thing. So we were actually supposed to do a video that we pretty much had filmed everything except for the installation of the table. So we filmed this whole video for our downstairs with the, I call it the theater room, Art calls it the game room, the kind of the den area, and we have a TV and a couch in there, and then Art designed a floating TV stand pretty much. And for some odd reason, because I never pay for shipping when we buy stuff off Amazon, and no, we don't have Prime, because I just feel like if you pay for the shipping, it just doesn't even come that quick, especially now with everything going on. They're just like so swamped because everyone's ordering off Amazon. Well, anyways, so the hardware is not here and it's like pending delivery. Like we don't even have an estimated time of arrival. So it is what it is, but the hardware obviously the hardware for the entry table came in. So we were like, well, we can finish this one then in the meantime until we wait for the hardware for the other projects. So that video should be coming out in like a week or so. Well, it really depends on Amazon and when and where our package is. I have no idea. It's just pending in the Blitz. So anyways, whatever. I want to give you guys an update on the baby. I'm 20 weeks and today we had our anatomy scan. Art wasn't allowed inside, but it is what it is. But they went over everything and baby's healthy, and they gave me some photos that the ultrasound tech took just of the baby's profile, his foot, his genitalia, his profile again, and he's looking cute. He's moving a lot. I feel great. I don't feel sick anymore, and that is so amazing because I was really sick for the first couple months. But yeah, baby's doing great and we're really excited to get all of his stuff set up in the room. We ordered some stuff and apparently it's like manufactured in Europe. So we had no idea. I had never heard of this holiday in August. Europe's literally like production, everything is closed down for a whole month. That's awesome, that's great, but I was like, wait, what? Like, I have never heard of this. I'm sure many of you have, and I don't know where I've been, but I clearly did not know this. So anyway, so everything's back ordered, everything, including our hardware. So anyways, that's kind of just wanted to give you guys an update, and that's where we're at. If you guys like the channel, subscribe. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like the floating entry table, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I'll keep you updated on our next video that's coming. Hopefully Amazon hurries up. So, all right, till next time.